Hi guys, welcome to Kirby Gaming, and today I will be playing some car mechanic simulator. I seen they have updated the game. We can take the truck to that's just shitty. Well, you can actually drive the cars now. Task list. Emission distributor cap. That's not. No, that's a weird spring. Where's the distributor? Oh, and this assemble and assembles there. Okay. Where the fuck? Oh, okay. Here we go. So we need a belt B16 parts. Belt B. Belt B16, $30. I will take it. Okay, we're gonna disassemble this belt. Oh, I guess we gotta take that one off too. Okay. I did receive a copyright claim on the last time I played this, so that's why there's no music in the background. I bought one, did I not? I just bought one. Where did it go? I just bought. Yeah. Where? Engine. Why can I not? Okay, do I have to buy it again for some fucking reason? Where? Oh, where? Or did I buy the wrong one? I could have bought the wrong one. Yeah, I bought the wrong one. Seems legit. Okay. No, just a belt. The belts. Yes. Okay, that is on. Show all parts. Oh. Okay, that's not good. Okay, distributor. Found the distributor. Oh, that's not the distributor, that's the air filter. Spark plug. Right here. I want the cap. Disassemble, take the spark plug wires out. Distributor cap. We need to go buy. One. Don't care. Don't care. I just want to go buy my distributor cap. Distributor cap. Buy it, $20. Sweet. Assemble. Oh no, I disassemble. Reassemble. There we go. Before this, I was trying to record some COD Mobile, but every match I had ended up in having sweaty people in the matches, so I didn't watch any part of that. I just kept dying and there was no enjoyment out of that. Okay. The rear shock looks like it needs to be, no, something, okay. This spring cap. Spring cap. Where? Where? That's not it, is it? No, I don't care. No, spring cap. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, hopefully you can take this out on the track. The spring is still good. And the good warehouse, I'm just sell everything. Sell all parts, sell just to make a little bit extra money. Does this not have a, oh, I guess that would not be fun to take to the track. Okay, we need another spring cap. No, that's front. Spring cap. We're gonna need a rear spring. We're gonna need the spring cap. Oh my god, these advertisements. I don't care. Get the fuck out of here. Okay. Spring cap. Rear spring. Rear shock absorber cap. I'm gonna go find that. There it is. Bye. Please say we're able to take this thing out on the track. I want to take it out on the track. Leaf spring U-bolts. Where's the leaf? Okay. Okay, it has to be the other side then. Okay, yeah. Leaf spring U-bolts. Too bad they didn't have the performance and stock. So if you want to build it stock, you can, or if you want to go the performance route. Yes, okay, I think we could take it to the track. I don't want to sell it. I want to take it to the track first. Well, there's orders. You can take orders too. That's kind of cool. Okay, I want to take this track test. Okay. But we have to watch a stupid advertisement in order to do said thing. I should just pause the recording, watch this, then yeah. That's probably what I should have done, but you know what they say. Oh shit. Here we go. Even though I can't hear the sound of the engine because I got a copyright claim. So you just can't have... Oh, fuck. Oh. Okay. Messing up the truck as soon as we get it out on the track, which is not good. Chassis test. What do you mean chassis test? Brakes work. Not the greatest, but brakes are brakes. So I'm guessing that's the chassis test. And then the braking will be right here. Sweet. We are going to check up on that though because I did hit the wall, but we are going to sell it now that it's past everything. We're going to sell the truck. Truck sold. Is going to sell. We're going to make some profit off of that so we can do more. But that will do it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now. God damn it. Oh my god. It's not letting me pause the video. Someone's gonna... I want to shoot a cow.